Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to make a wall decor from this foam board. It's a big piece of foam board. First I am marking borders on the four sides. If you don't have foam board, no need to worry, you can use cardboard also. This is paper cut out of a ginkgo leaf. It's not perfect, I know, but I am still going to use this only for this project. You can use anything, any design. So I am marking the design over the foam board. Few leaves I have drawn like this. Next I am going to fill each leaf with texture paste. You can use homemade texture paste also for this project. No need to buy texture paste. You can make your own texture paste using Fevicol or any white glue and talcum powder, preferably baby powder as it's smooth. So just carefully fill the leaves with texture paste. I prefer foam board to cardboard because of its smooth surface. So in the middle portion I am making a small depression like this with this palette knife, and I am applying little bit of texture paste over the stem part of the leaf. Now let's create some texture over the leaf. I am drawing linear lines from center to periphery, so it gives a beautiful texture. Likewise, work with all the leaves, fill it with texture paste and draw some linear lines using palette knife. I have finished the work with texture paste. Now let it dry fully. After drying, I will be painting the whole board with black acrylic paint or multi-surface paint or chalk paint. Any paint is okay. So I have used black multi-surface paint. Let it dry fully. After drying, I will be painting leaves with colors. This is silver paint. So I am applying using a sponge. You can use brush as well. I think brush is better than sponge because textures will be shown more clearly with a brush. So this is silver, metallic silver acrylic paint. For the next paint I am using yellow acrylic paint, not metallic, simple yellow acrylic paint. For the next leaf I am using golden powder. So I am using my fingers to apply this. For the next one I am using white acrylic paint. And lastly grey color acrylic paint. So applying with brush was better according to me. I felt so. So painting is over. Now let's give color to the borders. To get a straight border I am first applying masking tape. And the paint used is copper color acrylic paint, copper color metallic acrylic paint. Okay, after fully drying I removed the masking tape and the look is like this. Now I am taking three metallic colors, pink, green and blue, and I will be dabbing little by little using a sponge here and there. So the amount of paint loaded in the sponge should not be very high. So likewise I am alternating all the colors and applying over the foam board. I have finished painting, the work is over, and this is the final look of the project. Now let's hang it on the wall. For that I am using tacky tape. So this is a very easy method to attach objects like this on the wall. You need not worry about paint getting removed and all if you use this method. It's absolutely safe and rental friendly option. Hope you like the project, and this is the final look. Don't forget to seal the work with varnish. Thank you for watching.